Hello dear student, this is your question. Here we write y as the denominator, and after rearranging y we can write it as x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 to the power 1 over 4. How do we write this? Because here we multiply this one x minus 1 to the power 3 with x minus 1, so that we remove x minus 1 to the power 4 outside the fourth root of the given function. Similarly, as we multiply this by x minus 1, we have to divide this by x minus 1, and the final expression can be written as y is equal to x minus 1 divided into x plus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 to the power 1 over 4. Now see here we do one thing. Here we put x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 is equal to t4. Why we t4? Because t4 cancel out with fourth root, that is 1 over 4. So after rearranging, x become t4 plus 2 divided by t4 minus 1, and value of, since we have to find out the value of x minus 1 and x plus 2, so value of x plus 2 is 3 t4 divided by t4 minus 1, and value of x minus 1 is 3 divided by t4 minus 1. When we differentiate this, we get dx is equal to minus 12 tq dt divided by t4 minus 1 to the power square. So the above expression integration can be written as I is equal to minus integration of 12 tq dt. See here, this step is very important here, dt into t4 minus 1 again t4 minus 1 divide by 3 into 3 t4 into t4 into t, this is t not t, and t4 minus 1 to the power square. Here we put the value of x minus 1, x plus 2 and value of dt in this expression, and we get integration like this. Now after calculating it and after simplification, we get I is equal to nothing but minus 4 over 3 integration of dt over t square, and after integrating it we get the value we get the value 4 over 3 t plus integration constant c, right? So if we put the value of t, we get I is equal to 4 over 3 into, see here, x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 to the power 1 over 4 plus integration constant c. So we look at the option, we find that option 4 by 3, option A, that is 4 by 3 x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 the power 1 by 4 is correct one. So in this question we have to very carefully calculate the all substitution and all the simplification. Hence here answer is A. Hello dear student, this is your question. So this question can be written as I is equal to integration of e to the power x over root x dx. So here if we put e to the power x is equal to t, then we get dt is equal to e to the power x dx over 2 root x. So to evaluate, in order to evaluate this integration, we have to multiply it by 2 in denominator, and as we multiply 2 in denominator, we multiply whole with 2 so that there is no change in the integration. Now since we assume that t is equal to e to the power root x, so this part e to the power root x divided by 2 root x into dx become dt. So this integration can be written as integration of dt, and after integrating we get 2t plus integration constant c. Returning to the value of t, we get I is equal to nothing but 2 into e to the power root x plus integration constant c. So if we look at the option C is correct one. Hello dear student, this is your question. Here we have to find the integration of x to the power 4 divided by x plus x to the power 5 dx, where fx is given, that is integration of 1 over x plus x to the power 5 dx is fx plus c. So write down this integration as I can be written as integration of x to the power 4 divided by x plus x to the power 5. See here, if we assume that x plus x to the power 5 is equal to t, dt becomes 5x4 plus 1. So here we have to multiply it by 5, and since we multiply it by 5, we have to divide the same by 5, plus we add here 1 and subtract 1, so as there is no change in the expression. So the overall integration can be written as 1 over 5 bracket open integration of 5x4 plus 1 divided by x5 plus x minus integration of 1 over x plus x5 dx. Clear? So here we find that this 1 over x plus x to the power 5 dx is nothing, that is fx, and this part is z. So the numerator part is d, this part is t, so numerator part is dt. So overall we can write integration I as 5I is equal to integration of dt over t, clear, minus this integration 1 over x plus x to the power 5 dx can be written as fx, and after integrating we can write 5I is equal to log t, and t is x to the power 5 plus x, so we can write here x to the power 5 plus x minus fx. Clear? So here we see that there is no option which matches this one, so here the option is none of these. Hello dear student, this is your question. In this question we can write the given integration as I is equal to 1 over under root 1 plus log x into dx over x, right? So if we here put 1 plus log x is equal to t, then we get differentiation of 1 is equal to 0 plus differentiation of log x is equal to 1 over x dx, and differentiation of t is dt. So here we get 1 over x dx is equal to dt, and 1 over under root 1 plus log x is equal to t. So this integration can be written as integration dt over under root t. So after integrating this we get t to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus integration constant c. So this is equal to 2 root t plus integration constant c. Putting back the value of t, we get the above integration as I is equal to 2 under root 1 plus log x plus integration constant c. So if we look at the option C is correct one. Hello dear student, this is your question. Here we have to find the integration. Let in the given integration is I, which can be written as 1 over x under root 1 plus log x dx. Now see here, if we assume that 1 plus log x is equal to t, and as we know the differentiation of log x is equal to 1 over t, so here we wisely choose t is equal to 1 plus log x. Now if we differentiate t, dt is equal to differentiation of 1 is equal to 0, as 1 is a constant, so dt become 1 over x log x. Now here if we see the overall part dx over x become dt, and this become 1 plus log x become t. So this integration can be written as integration of dt over under root t. So integrating this, we can write here the integration of 1 by under root 2 t is t to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1. This become equal to 2 root t plus integration constant c. So putting back to the value of t, we can write I is equal to twice of root t is 1 plus log x plus integration constant c. So if we look at the option A, option C is correct 1.